Well, today it is pouring with rain in my rock quarry, and it's like I've got barrels I want to do, but no, pouring with rain, that's where I normally wash them out. But I thought today I've actually got an empty barrel, so for a bit of fun I thought I might put that in the tumbler for a whole week with 80 grit and just see what happens. I mean, it's agate, it's hard, it is big, quite a big barrel, so we'll just see what it turns out like. I mean, there's some lovely, it's hard to tell, but it's quite blue in there. So I got this on a recent rock hunting trip in the South Island, and I was lucky enough to be able to take it from somebody's garden. So thank you very much, and we'll just see how it goes. So I'm going to fill the barrel at the bottom with some, these are from Fraser Beach in the South Island, just straight quartz, straight off the beach. Put that in there, like that. Look at our agate. Put them in there like that, and I'm going to tip that. So I have put just over a cup of grit in my large 15-pound barrel, and I will set that on and run it for 10 days I think, and I'll look forward to opening that one up. And then on the top, those stones are from Birdling's Flat, so they'll just mix the barrel up a wee bit. We'll see what happens in another week.